Where is Emily and the others, Bob? They should be arriving right now. Oh look, here they are! How much money did you get? We got $200, boss. Excellent. Django Fett will be very pleased. Behind you, it's the fuzz! Quickly, get the money on board and we gotta go now!
Don't worry, boys. I know how to fly.
We gotta stop that cargo plane from taking off! It's too late! Dang it! They got away! If only I brought my rocket launcher with. But I'm pretty sure I did. What? I said, I wish I brought my rocket launcher with, but I'm pretty sure I did. What? You have a rocket launcher with? I think so. Do you have a rocket launcher? I'm pretty sure I do. I'll go check.
Well, I did bring my rocket launcher.
Well, don't just stand there. Load it!
I think this is the SWAT job.
No, we cannot let them get away. Ready and fire! Good job, boys. Looks like we're gonna get paid after all. Wait, what's that sound? Look out! Missile incoming! Ah! We're going down! We're going down!
Brace for impact!
Well, that went better than I thought it would. Hey, where's Bob?
I knew the police would have some way of shooting down the plane.
Looks like I was right. My decoy worked. I knew trusting Django Fett was a bad idea. Now I'm on my own.